This is Scarlet, and this is Shandy. Shandy, come here, pig. Come on, look like little pigs. Yeah, little pigs. Yes.
They hop like bunnies.
Yep, come on. Woo! We're scooting our ground now. Yes, we're moving now. What you guys think about a stick, huh? Come here. Scarlet's gonna get it. Get it. Come on, Shandy. Nope, too big. How about a little stick? Hey, come here. All these leaves. Yeah, we're gonna help you clean up your yard. Oh, so now we found the stick. Oh, Scarlet. Come here, Scarlet. Shandy's got it. She's gonna drag it around.
I think Scarlet had it.
No.
Shandy got something else.
Scarlet's got a mouthful of leaves. Shandy, there's a little stick. Boy, I'm a big dog. I can pick this thing up and run with it. Come on, Shandy. Scarlet's gonna try now. If Sissy can do it, I can do it. Yeah. Come on. You can get it. Shandy does roast the stick.